If you're tired of weak blenders that struggle with ice, smoothies, or meal prep, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 countertop blenders that deliver real power, real performance, and real value in 2026. Whether you cook daily or blend occasionally, these picks will upgrade your kitchen instantly. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Starting with number 5, Ninja BL770. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770, a true all-in-one powerhouse for your kitchen. This machine packs a strong 1500 watt motor, giving you enough power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and make smooth, creamy drinks in seconds. You get a 72-ounce full-size pitcher with Ninja's total crushing technology, which delivers perfectly blended smoothies and ice crushing performance every single time. It also includes an 8-cup food processor bowl that can chop vegetables, mix dough, and prepare purees within minutes, making it ideal for meal prepping. For quick, on-the-go blending, the BL770 comes with two 16-ounce to-go cups with built-in blades. Overall, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is fast, powerful, and extremely versatile, a perfect choice for anyone who wants both a high-performance blender and a food processor in one compact system. Number 4, Beast Mega 1200. If you're looking for a premium countertop blender that combines power, design, and convenience, the Beast Mega 1200 is a solid pick. This model packs a 1200 watt motor, delivering enough force to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and create ultra-smooth textures in just seconds. The blade and jar system is engineered for maximum consistency, making it perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, dips, and even hot soups. One of the best parts? It comes with extra lids and a complete straw system, so you can blend and sip on the go without switching containers. The build quality feels premium, the motor is surprisingly quiet for its power level, and the sage color gives it a clean, modern countertop look. If you want a stylish blender that performs like a beast, this one is worth considering. Number 3, Oster Pro 1200. This model delivers powerful performance with its 1200 watt motor and dual direction blade technology, which pulls ingredients down for faster, smoother blending. The 6-cup Boro-class glass jar is heat-resistant and extremely durable, so it's perfect for hot soups, smoothies, and everyday kitchen use. You also get a 24-ounce to-go cup, making it super convenient for quick breakfast smoothies. With 7 speeds, including presets for salsa, milkshakes, and smoothies, the Oster Pro 1200 gives you a lot of control for a budget-friendly price. Overall, it's a strong performer, very versatile, and a great pick if you want premium blending results without spending Vitamix level money. Number 2, Ninja TB301. This compact yet powerful countertop blender comes with 1800 peak watts of smart blending power, making it perfect for smoothies, sauces, frozen drinks, nut butters, and even food prep. One of the best features is BlendSense technology, which automatically detects the ingredients inside and adjusts speed and power for the perfect texture every time. No guessing, no manual tuning. You get a 72-ounce full-size pitcher for big batches, plus 2 24-ounce single-serve cups for quick, on-the-go drinks. Despite the strong motor, the design stays compact, making it great for small kitchens or limited countertop space. If you need a versatile blender that can handle both family-size blending and personal smoothies, the Ninja TB301 is easily one of the best choices in 2026. Number 1, Vitamix 5200. Vitamix 5200 is a professional-grade blender that's perfect for smoothies, soups, ice cream, and so much more. It comes with stainless steel blades that can crush ice effortlessly, a 64-ounce container ideal for families, and a self-cleaning feature that makes kitchen cleanup a breeze. The Vitamix 5200 is known for its powerful motor and smooth blending, giving you a perfectly creamy texture every time. Whether you're making hot soup or frozen desserts, it handles it all without any hassle. It's a trusted choice for home chefs and smoothie lovers, delivering professional results without taking up too much counter space. If you want a blender that combines durability, versatility, and professional performance, the Vitamix 5200 is hard to beat. That's our roundup of the top 5 countertop blenders for 2026. Each of these blenders offers incredible performance and value. If you want to grab any of these, check the links in the description below. It helps support our channel at no extra cost. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.